Welcome to part 2, everyone. We are seeing you all day. Oh my god. Look at this car! Oh my god, it's gonna get hit by a train next. Oh my god. Why should I go? Oh my god. Where's that train? The train is missing sometimes. You remember at 3 minutes I go back down the road and I need 5 minutes. And the train comes 7 minutes. Look at that part 2. It's so cool. Choo choo. What choo choo? Oh my god. Gotta be kidding me. The train is coming now. Oh my word. What choo choo? What is. Oh. Okay. Coming soon. Look on the lane is so beautiful. Look at that lane. Okay, let's see outside. Is anything wrong here? Because we don't want that train to come. Next. Where's that train? No train coming. Okay, that's my small car garage over here. That's my big car garage over here. And that's why there's 2 garages. We're gonna see the views, everybody. Woo! It's coming. Let's go, you guys. Excuse me, police officer. I need your help. There's the red chopsticks is on fire drill. What? I'm not a police officer. Wow, yeah. Then dislike me. Oh my god. No. Phone call. Trent, I'm gonna have a party in my house. No, everybody here. It's in this location by the train tracks. And they're gonna come to my party. Look at you guys. It's over here. Wait, it's over here. That road is right here. Oh, is that the train? Oh my word. No. Oh my work. 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 See you on the next video. You guys, tomorrow we have a brand new video. Goodbye, everyone.